This is Duke University.
The discovery of the immense benefits of choline supplementation during pregnancy is a relatively new one. Choline was first discovered to play an important and noteworthy role in pregnancy around the late 1980s. From the start of its brief history, neuroscientists recognized the importance of choline in the development of the fetus, as choline is the antecedent of acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter involved in such vital processes as learning, attention, and memory. Unfortunately, the prevalence of choline in the body becomes less pronounced as we age into our elder years, resulting in an age-related decline in memory abilities and spatial learning. However, choline may serve to mitigate these deteriorations. Research has found that supplementation of pregnant rats during gestation, specifically the embryonic days of 12 to 17, with the nutrient choline also enhances hippocampal plasticity in adult offspring, improves cognitive function, and improves memory capacity and precision. The general body of knowledge surrounding choline acknowledges that it is a good prophylactic measure, but not much evidence exists that would suggest any possible treatment applications of choline. The main question that remains unresolved is whether choline supplementation can ameliorate more long-term cognitive pathologies. Dr. Christina Williams and her lab have been conducting important research on choline and its role in disease prevention. She currently holds a position as Professor of Psychology and Neuroscience here at Duke University and heads the Systems and Integrative Neuroscience program. After graduating from Williams College in Massachusetts with honors in biology and psychology, she obtained her PhD in biopsychology from Rutgers University's Institute of Animal Behavior and her postdoctoral fellowship in psychology from the Johns Hopkins University. Since then, her research interests have varied from hormones and sexual differentiation to adult neurogenesis and choline supplementation's effect on the brain. Her lab has affirmed previous findings of the benefits of prenatal choline administration for the child and mother, and have conducted important research on the effects of prenatal choline supplementation on long-term hippocampal recovery from seizures in adulthood, and found that prophylactic supplementation of choline protects against the long-term cognitive and neuropathological effects of status epilepticus. During pregnancy, the demand is high for choline because this material is used to myelinate or insulate nerve fibers. Choline is also in demand for synthesizing the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, as mentioned before, which can influence the structure and organization of brain regions, neurogenesis, myelination, and synapse formation. Acetylcholine is even present in the placenta and may help control cell birth and cell proliferation and differentiation. Choline uptake into the brain is controlled by an inefficient transporter located at the blood-brain barrier. Transport occurs when arterial plasma choline concentrations increase above a certain level, which can occur during a spike in choline concentration after consuming choline-rich foods. Neurons, conversely, acquire choline by both high and low affinity transporters. Choline is stored as membrane-bound phosphatidylcholine, which can then be used for acetylcholine neurotransmitter synthesis later. Acetylcholine is formed as needed, travels across the synapse, and transmits the signal to the following neuron. Afterwards, acetylcholine esterase degrades it, and the free choline is taken up by a high-affinity transporter into the neuron again. The research being conducted on choline's effects on the body, and specifically the nervous system, is absolutely vital, primarily because it has the potential to save countless lives by preventing or decreasing susceptibility to such devastating diseases as Alzheimer's, dementia, and many forms of cancer. Furthermore, this research also has the potential to better society by boosting cognitive power and memory retention and hindering age-related decline in cognitive function. Choline studies are on the cutting edge of scientific research as they are leading to revolutionary new advances in medicine and neuroscience and are probing into areas of therapy of major neuropathologies that were previously unexplored. And although many new discoveries are happening currently in this exciting field of research, many exhilarating and intriguing findings await.